In the meantime, in a bid to comply with RBI's new NPA rules notified in February, lenders are scrambling to clean their books ahead of the expiry of the the 6-month window at the end of August. ET now learns from sources after a failed SDR attempt, an SBI-led consortium of lenders has found a buyer for leading thermal power player Coastal Energen. Neha Botra, in fact, joins us with more details on that. Neha, who is the buyer and how do the lenders plan to maximize value?
Indeed, the power sector has been a stress point for banks. NPAs in the power sector alone comprise for close to 70,000 crore rupees. In fact, this is a very important development because banks have been striving since the start of the year to dispose many of these stressed power assets before they are forced to put these assets on the block under insolvency route, according to RBI guidelines notified in the circular issued on the 12th of Feb. As far as this development is concerned, we are given to understand that Edelweiss ARC is looking to buy out the stake of State Bank of India-led consortium of banks in Coastal Energen for about 3,100 crore rupees. The company, of course, has a debt pile of close to 7,000 crore rupees, and thereby to maximize returns, we are given to understand that State Bank of India is looking to put in place a Swiss auction. Now, what really a Swiss challenge entails is an auction wherein a bidder is invited after the bid amount of the sole bidder is notified, and a higher bidder thus attracted is given a chance to participate by an extension of the bidding window. So this really is going to be a very crucial development as far as this asset is concerned. Remember, it's been a leading thermal power player in the power space, and of course a big stress point for banks since 2015 when lenders had invoked the SDR but failed to turn around the company over the past 2.5–3 years. So now, yes, bankers are banking on Edelweiss ARC should they not find a better buyer via the Swiss challenge auction method. But of course, we've seen two important power assets on the block by banks, all in a bid to retrieve their dues and ensure that they don't have to put these assets on the block via insolvency, which again will entail a longer period and also cast a question mark as to the amount they can raise via this route.
Okay, we'll leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining in with those details, Neha.